Good morning, friends. Welcome to BBSM Academy 2021 SSLC examination question papers and answers for 10th class revision. It also includes ICSE and CBSE students. Science notes, learn science, do science. This is for your kind information and for the academic value of studies. I would like to give introduction to the discovery of electron and the charge of the electron today. The important thing to know about all these things, to know about the discovery of electron and its charge. Before that, discovery of cathode ray tube is also one of the important role in science and technology. My dear friends, cathode ray tube. See our monitor history we have discussed in the previous classes. That is Heinrich Geissler in 1814. He was a German glass blower. He was doing the glass technology, and he modified the tube, a cathode ray tube. Afterwards, Julius Plecker involved in this cathode ray tube. Then coming to the discovery of electron, who discovered electron? You know that Sir J.J. Thomson discovered the electron. For that he awarded the Nobel Prize in 1906, and his son also, who got the Nobel Prize in 1937 for providing the wave-like properties of an electron. Then coming to the cathode ray tube, this was the discovery of the previous scientists, and cathode ray tube and the modified cathode ray tube, and this study of properties of cathode ray particles and all we have discussed in the previous classes, my dear friends. Now I would like to divert your attention towards the discovery of electron charge. Electron discovered by Sir J.J. Thomson, we know that, and he was not able to give a particular charge and all, but it's a negatively charged image. How much negative charge? That is very important in our studies today. Discovery of electron charge. We know that electron is a negatively charged particle which is revolving around the nucleus of an atom. These are all the things of the study of electron. Then what is the charge of the electron? The credit goes to Millikan oil drop experiment, the great scientist. So this was the instrument used, the original apparatus or instrument used to find the discovery of electron charge using oil drop experiment. Millikan's oil drop experiment is a famous experiment which is asked in several examinations. Millikan's oil drop experiment regarding the charge of an electron. Robert Millikan's oil drop experiment, the original apparatus used by Millikan apparatus, the oil drop experiment, we have shown in our BBSM Academy slides, and for your kind reference and for your kind information. This experiment involved observing tiny negatively charged oil droplets between a pair of horizontal metal plates. The construction of Millikan oil drop experiment, I am telling you, the apparatus is made up of a negatively charged oil drops between a pair of horizontal metal plates that are called electrodes. The original apparatus is used as shown here. The first for a single oil drop with zero applied electric field. Its terminal velocity was measured. At a terminal velocity, the drag force equal to the gravitational force, and these depend upon the droplet's radius in different ways, so that the radius of droplet, that is oil drops, each and every drop, that oil drop is a spherical in shape, and hence the droplet's radius in different ways, so that the radius of the droplet and therefore its mass and gravitational force could be measured, and it will be determined with the oils known as its density. Each and every oil, a liquid which has got its own density. What is density, my dear friends? Density is the mass per unit volume of a substance. This definition of the density was studied in the previous classes. You know, we know that density is the mass per unit volume of a substance, and hence adjustable potential difference V was applied between the plates and induced an electric current or electric field, and V, that is the potential difference or the voltage, was adjusted until the drops were suspended in mechanical equilibrium. That is, electrical force is equal to gravitational force. Now, using the known electric field, the oil droplets charge could be determined. This Robert Millikan's oil drop experiment leads to the study by comparing applied electric force with the charge in the motion of the oil drops. He was able to determine the charge, electric charge on each drop. He found that all of the drops had charges that were simple multiples of a single number, the fundamental charge of the electron. He discovered the elementary charge of an electron using the oil drop experiment designed to measure the absolute value of the charge of electron. Robert Millikan, in full Robert Andrews Millikan. His name is Robert Andrews Millikan, born in 22nd of March 1868, Morrison, Illinois, United States of America, and he died in 19th December 1953. San Marino at California. American physicist honored with the Nobel Prize for his physics in 1923 for his study of the elementary electronic charge and the photoelectric effect. You know, my dear friends, the study of oil drop experiment is also the basic science of photoelectric effect in our modern physics. This is the E by M ratio. The electron mass ratio is equal to minus 1.76 into 10 to the power of 8 coulomb per gram. You know, my dear friends, the unit of charge is coulomb. Robert Millikan's oil drop experiments consists of a parallel. Let us discuss about the detailed study of the Millikan's oil drop experiment. This is the figure. With the help of this figure, you are able to know hole in the top plate for oil drops from atomizer to drift through. The explanation of the Millikan's apparatus. So these drops are falling, and this is the scale, microscopic view of oil drops, yellow circles between parallel plates. These are the two parallel plates. The distance between the parallel plates is somewhat in the drops where they are going to study, and the potential difference between the two plates can be measured with the help of so many electrical phenomena. Now, this is a very important thing that electrostatically charged, and each oil droplet gains a negative charge of Q. Q means it is an electric charge. In the absence of an electric field, as the oil droplets drift through this hole in the top hole, and hence the constant K can be measured by Stokes' law, and K is proportional to R, radius of the oil droplet, and V is the terminal velocity of oil droplet. As the focus of this article is a modern physics, we shall not go in depth with the mathematics of Stokes' law and all those things in this class. This will be studied later in the modern physics, particularly the higher physics is concerned. That is, Q is equal to mg by V, which is Q is equal to the mgd by V. In 1909, as I told you, American physicist R. Millikan measured the charge of an electron using negatively charged oil droplets. The measured charge E of the electrons in coulombs. The unit of charge is coulomb, you know that. Using the measured charge of an electron, we can calculate the mass of electron from E by M ratio given by Sir J.J. Thomson. So this is the coulomb per gram. E by 1.76 10 to the power of 8 coulomb per gram. So this is very important equation, which the credit goes to Millikan, an American physicist, or Millikan. Thank you for listening. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe. Contact Mr. Veerabhadraya Demaya 9663828428. Bangalore, camp at Gopanahalli, Challakere, Chindurga district. You know, my dear friends, if you like our videos, please press the bell icon.